Hi and welcome. Adobe has just launched an update to Adobe Lightroom and Camera Raw. This is version 11.4 and it was released in June of 2022. Now it does contain some great new features that we've all wanted and been waiting for. Now let's look at what's new in presets. Now at the top of the presets panel we've got the long-awaited amount slider, allowing you to adjust the intensity of the preset you've applied. Well, okay, so let's add a preset. Let's go for, say, urban architecture. And we'll go for urban architecture, let's say 07. Now, if you look in the basic panel, you'll see that the sliders have moved. And the sliders in other panels might have moved as well. And the preset amount slider has come to life. So if we move it to the right, it'll increase the amount of the preset. If we move it to the left, it'll decrease the amount of the preset. Now for the amount slider to be active, all the adjustments must be scalable. If not, the amount slider will be greyed out. Now if you make a new preset, so let's say we want to create a new preset out of this one, then what we've got to make sure is that we have this checkbox checked, the support amount slider. And that's all you need to do in the advanced settings, and then when you click create, your preset will be okay for using the amount slider. Now on some presets not all sliders are scalable, so on this one for instance, if I move the exposure slider, all is well. We've still got the ability to be able to increase or decrease the amount. But if I say take the black slider, as soon as I let go it clears and blanks out the amount slider, so obviously this slider is not scalable. So it's just an FYI to watch out for that if you do decide you want to just tweak the adjustment a little bit, you can only do it with certain sliders. In not all cases are they all scalable. Another biggie in the presets department is the adaptive presets. These use artificial intelligence options for subject and sky, and now these can be batch edited, and Lightroom will auto recompute the mask for each selected photo. Now this works with copy paste, sync, auto sync and copy from previous functions. So okay, let's select a preset. Let's try in the adaptive sky. Here we've got adaptive ones, we've got adaptive subject and adaptive sky. So let's try blue drama, and you can see automatically creates a mask based on where it thinks the sky is, and it's done a pretty good job. Okay, now we want to copy these settings, so I want to click the copy button and I want to make sure that masking and obviously the blue drama preset is set, and then I click copy, and now all I've got to do is to select the images, the additional images that I want this sky to be pasted into, but obviously with this shape with the artificial intelligence, and then I click the sync button. It brings up all the things I want to synchronize, which includes masking and the blue drama, and I click synchronize. You can see it's beavering away, the artificial intelligence created me another 2 different masks for each of these individual images. So now you can see I've got a nice darkened sky on that one and a darkened sky on that one, all created from this original mask that we've put in here. But if we look in this now, we'll see that we've now this blue drama, but we've now got this as a mask over the castle, and on this one we've got a mask over the building, which is just the sky. Okay, well that's it for the new and improved presets in the June 2022 release of Lightroom Classic. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like or leave me a comment. Every like and comment helps me to reach more users due to the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the very next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.